Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's topic is scientific method. What scientific method actually is? It is a specific method used to search truth and reality. Dear students, you most often study the experiment performed by the scientists. They come to a conclusion after a method which we call scientific method. Now we will discuss steps of scientific method. The scientific method includes the following 5 steps. Number 1 is observation. Number 2, hypothesis. Number 3, theory. Number 4, experiment. And number 5, laws. Now we will discuss each step of scientific method. First of all, we will discuss about observation. The process of observing natural phenomena with the help of 5 senses and the scientific equipment is called observation. Observation are taking very carefully all possible information are gathered about a physical phenomenon under investigation. And second step is hypothesis. The explanation of observation and facts is called hypothesis. A hypothesis is a notion, a guess of a scientist in which he tries to explain the phenomenon. Theory. If a hypothesis is accepted, it is called a theory. Scientists design a theory on the basis of hypothesis and giving an elaborated explanation about the phenomenon. Now we will discuss about experiment. Scientists make experiment to test a theory. If theory is proved by experiment, it is regarded correct and accepted. If the theory is not proved by experiments, it is discarded. Laws. When a theory has been thoroughly checked under different situations and it gives the same results, then it becomes a law. The law explains the observation and the experiments about a physical phenomenon. So students, our today's topic is completed. I hope you all understood what we discussed in this lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.